Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your subscription in Polybuzz, Poly AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so the best way to do this is to come over to your Google Play Store. So you want to head back here and then go to your Play Store. Now make sure you're in the correct account to do this. So I'm in the correct account here, or you can switch account and find the correct account that you signed up the Polybuzz on. And then from here, click on the payments and subscriptions, click onto subscriptions. And then inside subscriptions, you want to go ahead and cancel the subscription. So it's going to show up here. So simply to cancel, you want to click into that and then click on the cancel. I'm just doing this for YouTube. And then just go cancel subscription, and that's going to go ahead and cancel your subscription. Now you can resubscribe as well if you make a mistake. So you can go back here, you can go ahead and resubscribe. You can resubscribe to any of your subscriptions too inside of subscriptions.